So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new WordPress admin user account via the database. So if you're on the login page and you don't know the username or password, but you want to create an account to get in, for example, say if you've got a new local dev site which someone sent you but you can't log in because you don't have the details, and we're going to do this via the database. I'm currently using local for my dev environment, so if I just open up the database in AdMiner here and go to WP users and select data, you can do this in PHPMyAdmin as well. It's just a little bit different on this AdMiner because that's what local by Flywheel uses. So this is the current user on there. I could just change this password just by going edit, and in the password I can change that to anything I want, but I have to change this user pass to MD5 because that is what it uses to encrypt the password. So if I click save, that's encrypted the password there. So now if I try and log in with that user, that should log me in all okay. There we have it, all logged in okay. So if I just log out of that, so if you go back to this page and add our new user, because we have to add a normal user first of all, click new item and fill out the user login, user pass, user nice name, user email and the display name. We can leave the user status to 0. So for the user login, I use Nathe dev, use password, I put Nathe dev 100, the nice name, I'll just do Nathe dev, email, I just do test@test.com. You also have to add in this user registered as well, so I'll just put yesterday. And for the user password, to make the password encrypted, just change that to MD5 because then you can have normal text there, which will encrypt that password so you won't be able to see it in the database. And the display name I just have as Nathe. So I want to go ahead and click save. Now my new user has been added in there. When you want to make a user an admin in the database, keep note of the user ID there because we're going to need that in the next step. So the ID of my new user is ID3. So then go to WP user meta, click select data. The bit we want to take notice of down here is the WP capabilities and the meta value of this. So if I just copy this here and I want to add a new item into the WP user meta, and the user ID is the ID of the user we just created, which is 3. The meta key is WP capabilities and the meta value is that section I copied. So this will allow my new user admin access to my WordPress site. So go ahead and click save. So now I should be able to go back to the login page and log in as that new user and be an admin. So if I go to new incognito window, go to the login screen, then enter the username and password of the user we just created, which was Nathe dev and Nathe dev 100. And when we log in, we will be an admin, as you can see. So that's how you change a password of an existing user, and also how to create a new user as an admin using the database. I'll leave a link in the description to my post so you can easily copy and paste the stuff you need described in this video. If you like this video, make sure you click that like button, click subscribe and click that bell to receive any future notifications on my future videos, and see you in the next video.